All right, you guys, you know who I am. My name is Taylor Grant, Bellator Claims Resolution. We're going to hear from Chelsea of Denver, Colorado on today's Denial of the Day. Okay, so Chelsea of Denver, Colorado writes, we recently had a huge tree fall onto our commercial building. Prior to the insurance company adjuster coming out to our property, which took 2 weeks, we were told by multiple professionals that that came out to our property, the roofing, tree removal guys, the siding, roofers, that the insurance company would definitely need to pay to have the entire roof replaced. We were also told to do what we need to do to get the tree removed and the roof covered, so we did just that. Which is like in every policy I've read, you as the policyholder have a responsibility to mitigate the damage, which is removing the tree and covering the roof. That comes into play here shortly. Let's see. We contacted a contractor who had his guys come over to the roof prior to the tree being removed. After the tree was removed, got tree guys to come out and get the tree removed, etc. We go through all of that, and the adjuster comes out to say that only the back portion of the roof will be paid to be replaced. It's a little confusing, but follow me, okay? We got a little bit more here. We have structural damage inside, and it is even clear from the ground there is significant damage to the entire roof. Also, we have wind and hail damage from the same storm where the tree fell, and we had roofers submit over 80 pictures of the damage to warrant a new roof replacement. Insurance company is refusing to budge. In addition to this, they are refusing to pay the contractor fee for the tree removal part of the claim because he didn't use more than 3 subcontractors, right? So I'm telling you guys, these insurance companies make up rules for their internal guidelines that are complete BS and are not supported by what the policy says. But they tell you this as a policyholder because they're the insurance company, and you as the policyholder are like, I don't know, does that make sense? I guess. I mean, they keep telling me that, so it must make sense. No. If they're telling you BS that's not in your policy, don't buy it. Okay? Let's see. Although he did a significant amount of work, and after the insurance company told us to do what we had to do to get rid of the tree ASAP and get the roof covered, we will continue to fight this no matter how long it takes. Wish I would have talked to people before selecting this insurance company, because every professional I have spoken to after this disaster has said that the insurance company is known for pulling stunts like this. I will be switching insurance policies ASAP. Okay? All of that to say this. When you're not being treated fairly by your insurance company, you need to have somebody help you and represent your best interest, not theirs. They have an adjuster that comes out and will tell you BS like, oh, well, the tree guy didn't have 3 subcontractors, so we're not going to pay his fee. What? Bullshit! That is due, that is owed. It must be paid by the insurance company if it was part of a legitimate loss, which is covered in the insurance policy, okay? If it's a loss that's not covered under the insurance policy, sorry. Too bad, so sad, right? However, if that damage is covered in the policy, the insurance company needs to reimburse you for mitigation, especially if it's helping reduce further and future damage to your property, okay? But this is all I have to say. I know I talk a lot, but I'm gonna finish it up with this. When you're not being treated fairly by your insurance company, you must get somebody to fight for you. Unless you know how to manage claims and get things done properly through the insurance claims process, which most people don't know because they have lives. They have their own jobs, their own professions, their own careers, right? You don't want to know about this stuff. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.